With DocuSign Agreement Manager in Salesforce, you can access key agreement details directly from Salesforce, such as file and party names, agreement type, contract value, effective date, and expiration date. To view agreement data, you must have access to an IAM plan that includes access to the Agreement Manager and the Salesforce connector. Use the Apps Launcher package version 7.5 or higher, and your administrator must add the DocuSign Agreements component to your Salesforce layouts. To start, open a Salesforce record and click the DocuSign Agreements component. This component displays the agreements sent from the record you are viewing and from any related child record. This makes it easy to view the full agreement history without needing to navigate to multiple records in Salesforce. You can review the related agreements and agreement details, use the search box and filters to locate a specific agreement, and customize the columns to display the information that you need. You can also click an agreement file name to open it in the Agreement Manager and preview the document, view, and/or edit the agreement attributes. For example, an account manager preparing to send a renewal agreement to a customer can view all the agreements previously signed by the customer. They can also quickly see if the customer has already signed an NDA and if it is still valid. They can use the search feature to locate the previous contract, view the terms they previously agreed on, and preview the document in Agreement Manager for more information.